Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNB Academy. Let's start with today's session. Managing compliance through paper files, emails and spreadsheets can quickly become difficult. Policies may become outdated, training deadlines may be missed and important risks may remain unnoticed. Digital tools help organizations bring policies, training, risk assessment, reporting and corrective actions into one organized system. This makes compliance easier to manage, monitor, and improve. Now, managing policies and documents. ISO 37301 requires organizations to control their policies, procedures, and records properly. A digital document management system helps teams create, review, approve, and update documents from one secure location. Version control ensures that employees always use the latest document, while electronic approvals and audit trails show who reviewed or changed it. Now, confirming employee awareness. Creating a policy is only the first step. Organizations must also ensure that employees have received, read, and understood it. Digital policy tools can track acknowledgements, send reminders, and prepare reports for management or auditors. This provides clear evidence that important requirements have been communicated effectively. Now, making training easier. Training is essential because employees need to understand their responsibilities and recognize possible risk. Online learning platforms allow organizations to assign role-based courses, videos, and quizzes to employees across different locations. These systems can track attendance, completion dates, and scores, making training easier to manage and verify. Now, identifying and managing risk. Compliance risk may arise from suppliers, contracts, finance, data handling, employee behavior, or business operations. Digital risk assessment tools help organizations record risk, measure their likelihood and impact, assign responsibilities, and monitor controls. Dashboards make high-risk areas easier to identify so management can act quickly. Now, monitoring activities in real time. Waiting until an annual audit to discover a problem may be too late. Digital monitoring tools can track training completion, policy acknowledgements, incidents, approvals, and overdue actions in real time. Management dashboards provide a clear view of what is working, what is delayed, and where immediate attention is required. Now, reporting and managing incidents. Employees are often the first to notice unethical behavior or process failures. Digital reporting platforms provide safe and confidential channels for raising concerns. These systems help organizations record complaints, assign investigators, protect sensitive information, and maintain a complete investigation history. Now, tracking corrective actions. When a non-conformity or incident occurs, it must be investigated and resolved properly. Digital tools help teams record the issue, identify the root cause, assign responsibilities, set deadlines, and upload evidence. Automatic reminders and escalation alerts prevent corrective actions from being forgotten. Remember, correction fixes the current problem, while corrective action prevents it from happening again. Now, using data to spot warning signs. Digital tools do more than store information. They can also reveal useful patterns. For example, data may show repeated incidents in one department, low training completion, frequent policy violations, or delayed corrective actions. These insights help organizations identify weaknesses early and take preventive action. Now, connecting different departments. Compliance activities often involve HR, finance, procurement, operations, and senior management. Digital tools can connect with existing HR systems, finance platforms, and document management software. This reduces duplicate work and allows important information to move smoothly between departments. Now, saving time through automation. Automation helps manage routine activities such as sending training reminders, notifying employees about policy updates, escalating overdue actions, and generating reports. This reduces manual work, prevents missed deadlines, and improves consistency. Technology does not replace human judgment. It helps people focus on more important risks and decisions. Now, protecting sensitive information. Digital systems may store investigation records, employee reports, and other confidential information. Organizations should protect this data through role-based access, encryption, strong authentication, backups, and audit trails. Employees should not only be able to access information related to their responsibilities. Now, build a connected compliance system. Digital tools make ISO 37301 easier to manage by connecting policies, training, risk assessments, monitoring, reporting, and corrective actions. They help organizations reduce errors, identify issues earlier, and maintain reliable evidence. However, software alone cannot create an effective system. The organization must choose tools that match its size, risk, and processes, and ensure employees know how to use them properly. The goal is not simply to remove paperwork. The goal is to build a compliance system that is connected, secure, transparent, and easy to respond. That is all about today's session. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy. Until then, like, share, and subscribe TNV for more such important and informative content. Thanks for watching.